The Mikoyan-Gurevich MiG-15 was one of the most influential jet fighters of the 20th century, a machine that changed the dynamics of aerial warfare and solidified the Soviet Union's reputation as a serious force in aviation technology. Introduced in the late 1940s, the MiG-15 was among the first swept-wing jet fighters to achieve operational success, making it a symbol of the jet age and a rival to Western aircraft at the dawn of the Cold War. Its development was driven by the urgent need for the Soviet Union to close the gap with Western jet technology, particularly as the United States and Britain advanced rapidly after World War II. Drawing upon captured German research on swept-wing aerodynamics and powered by a reverse-engineered Rolls-Royce Nene engine, the MiG-15 emerged as a formidable design that could outperform many of its contemporaries. The aircraft combined simplicity, ruggedness, and effectiveness in a way that was characteristic of Soviet engineering. Its swept wings allowed it to handle transonic speeds with greater stability, while its powerful engine provided the thrust necessary to compete with the best fighters of its time. Armed with heavy cannons rather than machine guns, the MiG-15 carried a 37mm cannon and two 23mm cannons, giving it devastating firepower against enemy aircraft. This choice of weaponry reflected Soviet doctrine, which anticipated the need to shoot down not only fighters but also heavily built bombers. The cockpit design was straightforward and functional, offering Soviet pilots a reliable platform that emphasized combat effectiveness over luxury. The MiG-15 gained its fame during the Korean War, where it first clashed with American jet fighters such as the F-80 Shooting Star and, most notably, the F-86 Sabre. In these encounters, the MiG-15 quickly proved itself to be superior to many early jets, and in the hands of skilled pilots, it posed a serious threat even to the Sabre. Battles over the region known as MiG Alley became legendary, with Soviet, Chinese, and North Korean pilots flying MiG-15s against American-led United Nations forces. The aircraft's performance stunned the West, as it could climb faster, operate at higher altitudes, and deliver powerful strikes with its heavy cannons. Although the Sabre eventually proved to be its closest equal, the MiG-15 demonstrated that the Soviet Union had reached technological parity with Western air powers. Beyond its combat record, the MiG-15 was notable for its global influence. It was exported widely to Soviet allies and client states, from Eastern Europe to Asia and the Middle East. Its affordability and reliability meant it was flown by dozens of air forces, often serving as the first jet fighter for many nations. For thousands of pilots, the MiG-15 provided their introduction to jet-powered flight, shaping doctrines and strategies around the world. Its longevity was remarkable, with some air forces using it well into the 1970s and beyond, long after more advanced jets had entered service. In retrospect, the MiG-15 stands as more than just a fighter. It was a statement of Soviet innovation and determination during a time when the balance of power in the skies was uncertain. It demonstrated that with determination and clever adaptation of technology, the Soviet Union could produce an aircraft capable of challenging the best of the West. Rugged, lethal, and iconic, the MiG-15 remains a legend of aviation history and a reminder of the rapid evolution of air combat in the early Cold War era.